welcome to another video. So this is gonna be a small little guide. 5 tips and tricks for beginner players. So one really good thing to do whenever you spawn on an outpost, go around and look in all the barrels. Usually they have items, grubs, and worms. Leeches are very good for fishing, cannonballs and planks, and there's usually a lot of barrels all over land. After that, you can just go back to your ship and I meant too, when you're on your ship and you want to get to land, hold down your sword and continuously press the jump button. You can time it at the perfect time, but once you do that, it will kind of glide you through the water. And you need to get the perfect timing. It's kind of hard, but not really that hard to do. As you see, glide through the water, you get really far. Okay, tip 2. When you don't want other ships to see you, turn off every single lamp. So well, this only works at night. But when you don't want other ships to see you, turn off all your lamps. And then no one will see your ship. You're not going to be able to see, but it saves yourself from getting trapped by other ships. Tip 4. Well, it's not really a tip. We're going to say tip 3.5. You take fall damage in this game. You don't just get to stay down. Yeah, we're going to go straight to tip 4 from here. It's pretty easy. When you're on ladders, you can slide down them to go faster. Tip 5. Don't get too drunk. So you can get pretty drunk in this game, but it's fun to do. But if you get too drunk, you throw up a lot, and throw up a lot. You can refill your tankard in your ship if you want, but you throw up a lot and you can't move, and everything's really bad. If you try to play your instrument, sounds horrible. Oh, don't get too drunk unless you're really having fun and you're not in the middle of the ocean getting attacked by a kraken. Well, that's the end for those tips and tricks today. We have, we have, those are all the tricks you get. See you guys next time.